Nobody can walk it for me. Nobody can bleed and call it my healing. Love can hold my hand. Wisdom can show me the road. But these feet still have to move. Mama can pray, but she can't live my days. Teacher can point, but I still choose the page. A friend can listen when the whole heart breaks, but nobody else can make the changes I won't make. Therapy can name what I've buried inside, but I still have to face what I've spent years trying to hide. The doctor gives the medicine, the trainer gives the plan, but discipline begins when nobody holds my hand. I know what it's like when the money runs thin, when failure outside starts sounding like failure within, when shame says hide and the mirror feels cruel, when yesterday's mistakes become tomorrow's excuse. But pain ain't a passport to abandon my life, and wounds don't disappear just because I survived. Support is a blessing, but here's the hard line: they can stand beside me, but the work is mine. No shortcut through the healing, no substitute for time. Somebody can light the candle, but I must guard the flame that's mine. The work is mine, the weight is mine, the tears, the scars, the climb is mine. You can show me where the mountain stands, but I must climb it with my own two hands. The work is mine when the crowd goes home, when encouragement fades and I'm standing alone. You can love me deeply, you can draw the line, but the step, the sweat, the work is mine. We live in a time where excuses get dressed like truth. Everybody got a reason why they couldn't follow through. We blame the system, our parents, our lovers, our past, and sometimes they're guilty, but blame still won't build what lasts. History is full of people born behind the line, denied books, denied land, denied dignity and time. They fought unjust systems because injustice was real, but they also built schools, organized, learned, planted, healed. So no, responsibility doesn't mean the world was fair. It means I stopped giving every thief permanent rent in here. Divorce may have broken me, poverty may have bruised, depression may have emptied every color from the view. I can ask for help, that ain't weakness or shame, but help cannot become another place to hide from change. Nobody can study, train, forgive, rebuild my mind. They can walk some miles with me, but the work is mine. You cannot do my push-ups, you cannot read my books, you cannot make me honest when nobody else looks. You cannot heal my habits by loving me harder each time. You can give me truth and mercy, but the choosing is still mine. And if I fall, I rise. If I break, I mend. If I lose everything, I begin again. Not because the road is easy, not because the stars align, but because this life was handed to me, and the work is mine. The work is mine, the weight is mine, the tears, the scars, the climb is mine. You can show me where the mountain stands, but I must climb it with my own two hands. You can pray for me, guide me, love me through the night, but I still have to wake up and put my life right. No borrowed courage, no rented spine, my healing, my discipline. The work is mine. Don't carry me where I have learned to walk. Don't rescue me from the lesson I need. Stand with me, tell me the truth, give me a hand when I genuinely fall. Believe enough weight on my shoulders for me to become strong. The work is mine.